Welcome, learners! Today we're going to be learning important Arabic words. At the end of the video, there would be an assessment to test your understanding of the lesson. We'll start with some Arabic words for the home and family. Let's begin. Father,
أبو
mother,
أمو
sister,
أختو
house,
بيتو
room,
غرفة
bed,
سرير
table,
طاولة
table,
طاولة
common food names and kitchen recipes in Arabic. Water,
ماء
bread,
خبز
milk,
لبن
apple,
تفاحة
egg,
بيضة
rice,
أرز
meat,
لحم
sugar,
سكر
salt.
ملح
Breakfast,
فطور
breakfast,
فطور
common Arabic words in school and learning. School,
مدرسة
pen,
قلم
book,
كتاب
eraser,
ممحاة
board,
سبورة
male teacher,
معلم
female teacher,
معلمة
male student,
طالب
female student,
طالبة
lesson,
حصة
nature and weather in Arabic. Sun,
شمس
sky,
سماء
star,
نجم
cloud,
غيمة
rain,
مطر
wind,
رياح
tree,
شجرة
flower,
زهرة
river,
نهر
river.
نهر
How to say some colors and numbers in Arabic? Red,
أحمر
blue,
أزرق
yellow,
أصفر
green,
أخضر
white,
أبيض
black,
أسود
one,
واحد
2,
2
3,
3
4.
4
How to greet in Arabic.
Peace be upon you.
السلام واليوم.
I'm fine.
بخير.
Welcome.
مرحبا ألف.
Goodbye.
مي السلام.
Well done! You've tried to come this far. Now, let's have some assessment to rehearse some of the things we've been learning so far. What is the Arabic word for bed? A. Kursiyu. B. Sariru. C. Baitu. What is the Arabic word for salt? A. Milhu. B. Labanu. C. Aruzu. What is the Arabic word for meat? A. Sukaru. B. Kubzu. C. Lahmu. What is the Arabic word for eraser? A. Qalamu. B. Kitabu. C. Mimhatu. What is the Arabic word for board? A. Sabaratu. B. Talabu. C. Madrasatu. What is the Arabic word for sun? A. Riyahu. B. Kamaru. C. Nahru. What is the Arabic word for cloud? A. Gaimatu. B. Wahid. C. Talibatu. What is the Arabic word for green? A. Arba'atu. B. Ahmaru. C. Akhdaru. What is the Arabic word for white? A. Ithnan. B. Ahmaru. C. Asfaru. Congratulations! We've come to the end of the lesson. How many did you get right? Comment your score in the section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.